Most people think cloud gaming is just streaming games like watching a video, but the surprising truth is that Boosteroid offers a smooth, high-quality experience without needing a high-end PC. Today, I'm sharing an honest review based on my actual usage. Boosteroid is a cloud gaming platform that lets you play PC games directly in your browser or via their app. You don't need to download or install the games, everything runs on their servers. Most people get this wrong by assuming internet speed doesn't matter. In reality, you'll need a stable connection of at least 15 Mbps for smooth gameplay. I tested it on a 50 Mbps connection, and the latency was minimal, even for fast-paced games. You won't believe what happens next. Boosteroid supports many popular titles, from AA games to indie hits. I played a mix of shooters and adventure games, and graphics quality was surprisingly good. The platform also integrates with Steam, Epic Games, and other stores, so you can access games you already own. The surprising truth is that Boosteroid is flexible. You can play on a laptop, tablet, or even a smart TV, making gaming accessible anywhere. There's no need to upgrade hardware, which is perfect if your PC struggles with modern games. Some downsides include that certain games might have minor input lag, especially with wireless controllers, and not all titles are supported yet. Pricing is subscription-based, but it's generally affordable compared to buying a high-end gaming PC. In conclusion, if you want to play modern PC games without investing in expensive hardware and enjoy flexibility across devices, Boosteroid is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest cloud gaming reviews before choosing your next platform.